Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an awesome sick Fortnite chapter 2 logo in Photoshop. So let's get right into the video. Yo, what is up, guys? So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this awesome sick logo. So let's get right into it. So what you guys want to do is go to File, go to New, Load in, wait for it to load. So you're going to copy these settings right here, 500 by 500, resolution 72, copy all this and create. So first what you guys want to do is get a background. So all these pictures I'm about to place in, you can get right off Google. First what you guys want to do actually is unlock this right here in your layers. Go to the background that you want to use, wherever it is, just hold, drag to your layer and apply. So what you guys want to do from here now is go to edit and go to free transform. So what you guys want to do is hold shift on your keyboard and drag your mouse and make it bigger. So what we're going to do now is just line it up in the middle right here with the scenery in the background. Click apply, enter, and you can see that it's all blurry, but we're going to blur this out anyway, the background, just as you see in the thumbnail. So what you guys want to do from here, go to filter, go to sharpen and sharpen. Now what you guys want to do next is go to filter, go to blur, go to Gaussian blur, and you guys want to click 4, copy this. Alright, now what you guys want to do is go to the bottom right, click new layer. You guys can delete this, you don't need this layer, so delete that. Everything else you need. So your next layer is going to be the circle. So you guys want to get a PNG circle or a circle that has nothing in it, and you get that right off Google. Or you can make one if you're good enough in Photoshop. You can make one yourself, which I recommend just get it off Google. It's just a lot easier. Oh, perfectly lined up. Look at that. So just leave it as that. It's perfectly lined up. So what you guys want to do is now you could delete this layer. You're not going to need it. What you guys want to do is go into layer. You guys want to left click twice. Opens up the layer style command, and go to drop shadow. Drop shadow, you want that to be 31. You guys want to go to outer glow, and then that's it. Click OK. You can copy, guys, all these settings. Make sure you guys copy and click OK. And what you guys want to do is on this layer, make sure it's clicked. Right click. Actually, you don't need to right click. You guys want to go where it says normal right there in your Photoshop. Click that and click multiply. Alright, let's check screen. No, yes, multiply. Let me go check to the other. No, it's actually not multiply. I think it's color dodge. No, strange. Oops, it's overlay. And what you guys want to do now is drop this to 71. And then there, it should be good. Now what you guys want to do is now go get your Fortnite character that you guys like using. It can be any Fortnite character, it's not specifically Fortnite chapter 2. Drag it, place, and you can resize it. Go to edit, free transform, and resize it to the middle where you like it. So right here seems pretty good. We're going to click enter. What we're going to do now is drag layer 4 versus layer 4 right here, Fortnite skin, under the circles layer. Do that, and then there. So for the Fortnite skin, what you guys want to do is double click again, left click twice, and what you guys want to do is click drop shadow, bring that to 21, outer glow, and click OK. Now what you guys want to go do is it's time for the name. So you can do is click a new layer. Let's just go double check again if I'm doing this correctly again. Yeah, so it's a name. So we're gonna do the name. Now you can put whatever name that you guys want. We're just gonna put name just for the tutorial purpose. So name in all caps. And now this is the Fortnite font, one of them. It's not Burbank. This one you can get Bada Boom BB in the font.com. Let's make sure that's clicked, and free transform. and you can resize it as big as you want. You can add whatever name. It's your logo. So about right there looks pretty cool. Alright, yeah, that looks pretty cool. It's big enough for the people to read it wherever you guys are using the logo for. So what you guys want to do now for the name is left click again, double click, left click, and you guys want to go do drop shadow. Now we're gonna mess with drop shadow here. Might as well 71. Let's click 71 for now and click OK. Let's check our other one again. Yeah, it's about 51. Actually, I gotta just click and check. Just want to double check for you guys. It doesn't exactly have to be 51, but yeah, it's 71. It shows, so it is 71. All right. So what you guys want to do? What you guys want to do now is left click again, go back to it, click outer glow, gradient. Gradient, you want it to be red, so find a good red that you like and set the opacity to 71 and click. Wait, let's check. I'm not sure if I like the outer glow there. Yeah, no, I don't like the outer glow. So what we're gonna do is take that off and put the stroke back on it like another one. So it's gonna be a white stroke, and then what you guys want to click is OK, and there you guys go. You have this so far. So what you guys want to do is now go on Google, find a lightning strike PNG. And once you find one of those, just open it up and drag it to the photo that you're editing. Alright, you guys want to go to edit, free transform, turn it right a little bit, drag it up like that. I think that looks about cool right there. Get it perfect. So right there, let's click enter, and what we're going to click now is click color dodge, and then check this one again. We're going to take the opacity down to 71. Yeah, sorry for these invites. So what you guys want to do is now bring the opacity down to 71, click enter, and now last but not least, what you guys want to do is find a bunch of stars. You can type in stars background or wallpapers on Google and you get something like this. So cancel that. Let's drag it to our photo. Drag it perfectly lined up. It looks good right here as it is. Let's click. What you guys want to do is go to your layers, go up. You see where it says normal. Click that, and then click not overlay. Overlay is really bad. Click screen. Now after all this is done, it looks pretty cool. Now what you guys want to do is hold shift, click first layer, then click the last layer, and it should be all highlighted like this. And on any layer, right click this time instead of left click. Right click and convert to smart object. And then once you do that, what you guys are going to do now is go to image, go to adjustments, go to brightness and contrast. You guys can add the brightness up however you guys like it. Go to 51. And we're going to leave the brightness to 0 and click OK, and there you guys have it. Fortnite logo. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys truly enjoyed the video. I'm sorry for my bad commentary. Truly am. I don't really talk that much in my videos or commentate, but I'm going to try doing it a lot more because I'm going to start making it. I want to head my channel into a better direction. So if you guys truly enjoyed, make sure you guys leave a comment down below what you guys want to see, and leave a like and subscribe. Help me guys get to 1,000 subs. That would make my world if you guys can do it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.